Hi, I'm Eleanor.
And I'm Fiona.
In this sequence, we're going to use the mirrors as the front. This is the back of the room, so make sure you align yourself to match us. We're going to start the routine facing each other, in hold. The follow is going to bring that arm to the lead's arm, and we're going to bring our arms up here with a closed hand. We're going to start with tap and step with the leg closest to the mirror. We have tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step. Once you feel confident with that, we can turn that into a swivel. So it's a swivel, 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 swivel. From here, this is what we call the closed swivel. We're going to open up our swivels. So the lead's going to bring the partner towards them, so it's hip to hip, and we swivel back, and then you push them round, swivel, push, push. So there should be a little bit of pressure here to get them round. Let's recap that from the closed to the open. 6, 7, 8, swivel and swivel, swivel and swivel. Now push to open and open, open and open. From here, we're going to do a Charleston, and we're all going to use our outside leg stepping back. We're going to do 2. And we Charleston and Charleston. From here, we're going to do our walks. We're going to walk forward. Before we walk forwards, we tap back. Now we're going to give your partner a little push to walk forwards. Walk, 2, 3, and then we stamp. We're going to hold this stamp, and then we're going to slide back to close back into hold. Let's do that a little bit on a count with our 2 Charlestons. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back, walk, walk, stamp, slide and close. Now let's try that to music.